Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, uh, I want to say Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alamin to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala, and we don't forget to send salawat to Rasulullah Muhammadin Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Before I start this presentation, let me introduce myself before. My name is Muhammad Habibi, but you can call me AB or what you want, AB, Abi, whatever. So, this presentation, this is about how to create a program with C++, but today I will create a game, a Tetris game. This is a simple program you can try at home. I will show you because we don't have a long time, okay? But I want to tell you something. Before you create a game, you must install SFML on your application C++. The question is, SFML, what the function of? The function SFML is if you want get a picture, get a graphic, get a audio maybe, you can using SFML. The example I will show you, this is I using this, alright. The graphic I using this. This is like, okay, it's same, okay. And I want to change the graphic to this, so you must insert where you save the file. I save this file on the folder image, so you must insert this image folder, and the name file is sample. The name file is sample. Alright, and I will execute. Alright, and then it's changed. Yeah, and SFML, the function is, alright, you can using audio, graphic, be like me, graphic, and system, and the window. And this project I just only using a graphic and the out window. The window is display window is this. This is a small display, the small length and width, okay. But if you maybe you want change the length and the width, you can setting here. Maybe you like a big length or width, so you can change this. Sorry, can change and execute. Okay, it's so big, but I don't like big, I like small. And this is a name of the program is, maybe I will change is a Tetris. Tetris. I will execute, and the name display is changed, Tetris. Alright, and if we're talking about SFML, you can change the background. You can change the background. Is my background, it's black, but maybe you like using a white color, so you can using white and execute, and then it's changed. But honestly, I don't like white, so I will using black. And this is to setting a background color. So maybe you are a pro player, you can change a time down, speed down, this is so very slowly. Alright, it's so very slowly. But maybe you are a pro player, you can change this to face. Alright, to face, and this is also very fast, but I'm not a pro player, bro. So I will change again to 1. Okay, maybe just only to me. Thank you very much and keep watching.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Timothy Denioto Puring from Group 8 of 2CCA. I would like to explain about the flowchart that we've been made for our Tetris game. This is the flowchart. when we execute or run the program, it will create a background and cell, and then it will be ready to create most commonly used shape of Tetris game that include I, Z, S, T, L, J, and an O. If the player is ready to play the game, they can feel free to press any key to start the game. If a key has been pressed, the program will randomly select a shape. The shape will move down using a timer. If the shape hit the bottom of the bitmap, the program will clear and end the bitmap. And then player have to press any key again to receive next Tetris shape. If the shape hasn't hit the bottom of the bitmap, the program will ask again, has a key been pressed? Now this program will recognize certain keys such as left, right, and down. By pressing the left key, the shape will rotate 90° left. By pressing the right key, the shape will rotate 90° right. By pressing down, the shape will move to the bottom straight. Now, has the shape hit the bottom yet? If yes, the program will ask, has a row of cells been completely filled? If yes, then the program will clear the filled row and move every row one down. If there is no complete filled cells, the program will loop up to randomly appearing a random shape. If still the shape hasn't hit the bottom of the bitmap, the program will loop again to moving it down with a timer. The program will continue.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good night everyone. First of all, I want to introduce myself. My name is Andi Ahmad Raihan Aqiilah from CCIT-FTUI. Today I'm from Group 8. Want to explain about the gameplay and design for the Tetris with Dev C++. Before we go far, I will explain to you all a little bit of history of the Tetris game. Quote from Wikipedia: Tetris is the game originally designed and programmed by Soviet Russian software engineer is Alexei Pachitnov. The first playable version was complete on 6 June 1984 while he was working for the Academy of Science of the Soviet Union in Moscow. So maybe that's all about Tetris history. So I will show you the gameplay of our Tetris game. This game have 4K control, which one is W. W is using for the change the shape, A using for left direction, S using for down faster, and the last is D for right direction. In this Tetris game, we use 3 colors for the block. First color is light orange, second color is dark orange, and then the last color is red, is the last one. So we can see various colors on the Tetris that we play. In this Tetris game, we use 6 shapes for fill the empty Tetris, as we can see in this video. So maybe that's all from me. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.